Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable geo restrictions here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, gotta go to the top right, click on the gear icon right here, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to time tracker. Okay, click on it. Now in here, go to these tabs at the top. Now gotta find permissions. Click on it, and then here you'll be able to find a geo restriction. Okay, so click on it. And now go ahead and click on add geo restriction. Now go ahead and give it a name. For example, PH clients, okay, or client. Applicable service, click on the box and you'll have attendance, files, time tracker. Let's say attendance. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some more, like attendance, files, and time tracker as well. Okay. And once that's done, you can go ahead and select from the map right here. For example, let's go ahead and find Philippines, like so. And I'm just going to go ahead and find random places right here. All right, maybe this area. And then once done, scroll down. Applicable to what? All users or specific users only? Now, when you select specific users, it will ask applicable to who? Which department or which roles? Okay, department is HR. Add in a criteria if you want to, and you could go ahead and add in an employee. All right, select from the list right here, and once done, you should be good to go. If you want to as well, you could go ahead and add in exceptions. If not, just leave it. And it says here, applicable employees can perform these actions only within above defined geo range. Okay, so all these three were enabled. Okay, so once that's done, just hit on save. That is it. If you want to add in some more geo restrictions, just click on add right here and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.